Good morning, comrades.
Yeah,
Thank you for coming this morning.
thank
You
you so
know,
much.
we saw something that happened in the weekend where Gowon was celebrating his 90th birthday, and the former senators from the north, especially some retired generals, or maybe former head of state, military head of state, are calling and saying that Goodluck Jonathan should be drafted into the presidential campaign, come
Wow.
2027. Is that the same people that said he is nothing to write home about are today calling that he should come back and take over power from Bola Ahmed
My case is
Tinubu?
different than
What's
a
your
child.
reaction to that?
Yeah. Good morning, viewer. From Comrade Adeloye Adeji. The hardship has come
They
to
don't even have
stay
school
in this
fees.
regime.
They don't have any.
Wow.
They don't even
We've
have
tested a rice that is very delicious and from
people we are
Goodluck to
just
Bele Jonathan. And now we are testing the one that is sour. The
My
one
case is
that
different than a child.
I won't lie for you. Go to every home right now, the hardship is high. So to me, it's a welcome development if good luck is coming back to us because we need good luck
They
in
don't
this
even have
country.
school fees.
We don't want bad
They
luck.
don't have any.
Wow. The
They
one we are experiencing right now, sir,
people we
you
are
can see
just
me holding rice this morning.
that's something that these days.
It's a tough one.
My case is
It's a
different
tough
than
one.
a child.
So the generals have tested this one. They realized that the commotion is high. Let me use the word commotion. The commotion. Do you know that this Sunday that just passed, some church cannot on generator. Some churches in Lagos State.
People we are just
Some that used to run their generator from the morning 6 o'clock to 1 o'clock cannot on their generator anymore.
My case is different than a child.
Some have to run their generator around 9 o'clock, some 10 o'clock, so that they can hear the sermon from the pastor. And after the sermon, they go off the generator. It's unbelievable that in this country you buy fuel for 1,100 naira. My expectation from this regime, oh my God, I was thinking that this is the regime that will turn Nigeria around.
My case is different than a child.
It's beyond my expectation. APC should cover their eyes with shame at this point. I don't know. See, as of yesterday, even with what is happening in this country, Jonathan should come back. It's messed up. This country is messed up. At this point, it's messed up. I want you to observe everybody's age in Lagos State. You realize that there is no joy. Do you believe that how CCD have to sense of their mass transport to be packing people to work every morning now in Lagos State? You know that? Go to Berger now, you will see how CCD buses is packing people for free to their various work. Kò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí kí chọ́ọ̀chì kó wọ́n rìlíìsì mọ́tò wọn kó máa kó àwọn èèyàn lọ síbi iṣẹ́ láràárọ̀ kó máa kó wọn padà lọ bí iṣẹ́ láti ibi iṣẹ́ kó tó máa kó wọn padà lọ lé. I think at this point the Yoruba area should sit down and find a way to pass message to the government. You are taking the silence of the people for granted. You are taking the silence of Nigeria for granted. And mind you, nǹkan máa ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Tí ajá bá lé ní títí ọjọ́ tó bá máa fèsì ajá tó lé wa ó máa ní agbára o. Kò dẹ́rùn o. I might eat 4 or 5 times in a day because I know I don't lack food. You can see part of it in my hand. I don't lack food. But some people Okay, I want to tell the government, the governor wife to go to the market to go and observe what is happening in the market. Because I don't know the work of the governor wife in Nigeria. All the governor wife should go out to every household to go and ask questions. Somebody that gave birth to 5 children, how will they cope? People now started withdrawing their children away from private schools. Look at the foreign exchange. People sending their children to school abroad.
But the World Bank said you push the size patient after 15 years. It looks like something is going to
The
go.
World Banks have an agenda for Nigeria to be destroyed. The World Bank's advice has always bring Nigeria to depression. I tell you, at this point, every family need a psychology. Every family need a counselor to come and counsel them. Everybody need a counselor now. Need a counseling. Oh my God! Even people that are counseling people now need a counselor. It's a tough process. World Bank Bawo. All the advice that the World Bank have been giving to Nigeria, it has never into any good results. I'm sorry to say this.
Are you disappointed?
I'm disappointed in everything that World Bank advice is giving to Nigeria. All of them go to Oxford University, go to Judgement University, bringing them to our private sector. It's not easy results.
My case is different than a mature woman.
You think that all these people want Nigeria to grow? I discovered something. Nigeria is a transaction ground for business. I will repeat that for you. Nigeria is a transaction ground of business. Even from the colonial masters, Nigeria was not created to pass. Yes, Nigeria was not created to succeed.
My case is different than a mature woman.
So what is the colonial master did not give independence to Nigeria with joy.
So what do you think? Are you in support of Nigeria should? This is almost 100 and something years, nothing is working. Are you supporting Nigeria should go their separate ways, or are you for journalism?
I think we've tried the one we are in right now. It's not working. So let us try with journalism. Let them restructure the country. I don't expect any region right now to be angry or to be against the journal system of government.
But the North is against it.
The North should never. People in the North are one of the problem of the country. All the emirs in the North, you are only thinking of your own of your own interest.
My case is different than a mature woman.
Yes, let us say the truth to ourselves at this point. Let us try the journal system of government. I am advising this president at this time. I don't know if you have tried your best, but if the best is not enough, I think the best of the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it is not enough. Now, for this president to go to a level of assistance, let us restructure Nigeria. It's an advice from me this morning. I comment Adedoyin Adejumo. The only idea I can give to you at this point, in this kind of mess that the president has found himself, is to not listen to anybody anymore. Anybody telling you that you should not restructure this country, they want you to fail. Anybody that is telling Bola Ahmed Tinubu to not restructure this country at this point, they want this country to fail. They want you to fail.
But it's going to go through the Senate and they're going to pass a bill on it.
The Senate have no choice at this point.
But the North can kill the bill. And it's happened. We have seen it happen. If it happens at this point in time now, what do you think will happen? That's the question.
I think everybody should come out in mass to protest. Everybody should come out in mass in the west and the east to come out in mass to protest. So what they are calling for is everybody to go their separate. If the North did not want restructuring to come in place, what the North are calling for is for Nigeria to go their separate way. I don't want the country to break because I love this country. I love Nigeria as a nation. But if the North are saying that Nigeria should not be restructured, they are calling for separation.
My case is different than a mature woman. What is
The hardship is high. It's beyond expectation. I am advising the president at this point. I comment Adedoyin Adejubi. If anybody is telling you that this country should not be restructured, they want you to fail. If any northern emirs, if any northern leader have conscience and speaking life, if they have conscience, I just told you, some family cannot afford transport this money to work. When I was holding this one this morning and I was coming after buying it, some people want to attack it in my hand. More than 4 people came to me, brother. Where are they sharing? I said, I'm not sharing it. I buy it. There's problems, sir. Something happened in my house as at yesterday. Somebody bought a bread. A woman hijacked the bread and run away. And somebody from the north is now saying that it's not restructured the country. When people don't have joy anymore, joy is dead. Don't know joy is dead. There's no joy.
My case is different than a mature woman.
The youth of the nation are afraid to marry. Why? A lot of girls are there now, they are not getting married because the youth, the main youth are afraid to get married. Ìwọ tó o tí ì so oúnjẹ tó máa jẹ fún ẹ láti yó, báwo ló ṣe fẹ́ tó ẹlòmíì tó fẹ́ tó láti jẹ. People are losing vision, people are losing purpose, people are losing dreams, people are losing ideas. People are not living the life they want to live again. Sir, do you know that in the next 1 month, if the fuel price continue like this, a lot of people will put their car for sales? I met a woman yesterday.
But the senior president said, wherever you see food, eat. That's what Akpabio said. And Nigerians should go out anywhere they see food, they should eat. That's what the senior president said.
The senior president said that. And this senior president is once a governor of a state before.
Yes, Akpabio.
So the question I'm not asking it. So they know that there is hardship. So they know there is hardship. Number one, I want to say this. This government has failed. No, let me be sincere to this Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And the thing is that they are now insulting Yorubas around everywhere. They are insulting us. They are insulting us. The insult is just too much. Some group try to sit down in Lagos State. They will be drinking. They will not call a Yoruba person. You know Ewa Mu. Even in the job I want, Ewa Mu. They are not disgracing us. I'm not happy. I want them to share a question now to all Lagos State right now. They should ask, how have they been abusing those parties in Lagos State? We don't have a say anymore. Because in our eyes, they are buying petrol for 1,100 naira. And now assuming it's another person that entered that presidency. What will Yoruba would have done? I comment Adedoyin is asking this question this morning. And I want everybody to be sincere with their hearts. I want everybody to sit upright. And I want all Yoruba people to ask ourselves this question. Assuming is another fellow that entered this presidency, they are selling petrol for 1,100 naira. I want to leave everybody with this thing. Everything that goes around will always come around. It's just a matter of time. Everything that goes around will always come around.